First of all, I'll select part, then OK. So where mmgs millimeter setting, then I have to create some object, this object. So this dimension shown here. First of all, I will select top plane, this measurement, radius, OK. Then first of all, center rectangle, then smart dimension, select smart dimension. This is length is 6. Smart dimension again 29, 36. OK. Select, and then arc. Select arc. OK. Then again select arc. OK. This radius 18, and this radius same 18. OK. Then select trim entities. I have to need trim two line, this line and this line. OK. And then I have to select circle. This is a hole. For create this hole, I have to select this circle and radius shown here. Okay, first circle and second circle, and then have to select smart dimension. Then okay, smart dimension, this diameter 16. Okay, and this diameter same 16. Okay, so then I have to get feature extrude boss. Extrude to 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay, then I have to create this portion 32 and 40. Okay, so I have to select this face and sketch new. Okay, normal to. Okay, then I have to select corner rectangle. Okay, this dimension here 40 and 32. Okay, but here this rectangle not at middle. I have to set this rectangle middle. Okay. Okay. First press control, then press this point and this point. Okay, make vertical. Okay, so this line and this line is vertical now. Okay, so I have to need extrude 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay, not this direction, this opposite direction. So change direction. Yeah, change direction. Okay, and Mars result. Okay, two part is complete, and then I have to create this part. Okay, so first of all I'll select two circle, 30 diameter 30 and diameter 20. Okay, and this length 32. Okay, select this case. Okay, normal to. First of all, this dimension 32. Okay, first circle and second circle, and smart dimension 30 millimeter and 20 millimeter. Second circle 20 millimeter. Okay. Then I have to select feature and go to extrude boss. But this side I have to need two side. That means this portion to half, 10 millimeter lower side and 10 millimeter upper side. Okay. So by direction 1, direction 2. Direction 2. Okay. These are 10 millimeter. Select and 10 millimeter select. Okay. Then we have to create this portion. Okay. Then select sketch, new sketch, normal to. Invert entity and select line. You can select line. Okay. Then I have to create this another line. Okay, and I have to select this circle. Press Control this circle and select this circle. Okay, first press Control, then select this circle and create a relation tangent. Okay, again press Control, then press circle and this line, create tangent. Okay, and then I have to create trim entities. This extension line will delete, and this half circle delete. Okay, so this is the closed region. I have to need this closed region extrude boss. By direction, opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction. Okay, then I have to create this middle part section, right? Triangle section. So I have to select right right plane. Okay, right plane, then normal to, and select line. Okay, and then extrude boss. Okay, select extrude boss, and not one side, this two side, because this white 12 millimeter, so middle to 6 left, middle to 6 right. So this select 6 millimeter, and direction to 6 millimeter. Okay, then select. Okay, this total body is complete now. Okay, same dimension. Okay, and we have to show this all dimension, and here show dimension. Okay, all this dimension showing here. Okay, exit dimension, and then have to select color. First of all, I have to select body and then select color. So I have to select first all body, lower side. Yes, lower, all body, select. Okay, select all body. Okay, so this picture and this sketch body same right now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.